What's up, guys? So I bought this turbo blanket off Amazon. So I put it on. It was super loose, so I just crisscrossed it, and it worked great. Now it's super tight on there. It's not going nowhere. I've got clearance for my oil feed, so that's all taken care of. We got. I'm gonna take this home with me tonight because it came with heat wrap, titanium heat wrap. So I'm
It was supposed to go. Oh, now just flip it around though the other way. Yeah.
All right. I have a solution. I'm gonna cut this shit off.
No, call your dad.
What's up, guys? So always make sure you Loctite your shit. Yeah, they say use red, but this ain't gonna get hot, so. And these cars really don't run that hot. Alright, so these are, this fits only one way. So if you can't figure it out, you probably shouldn't be doing this. Thank you. If you didn't know this, righty tighty, lefty loosey. If you don't know that, good luck. You could use a ratchet wrench. Probably make life a lot easier, but you know, I like the hard life. Maybe my Harbor Freight tool doesn't work. Maybe it does. Oh my god.
What?
That bolt just broke.
A bolt just broke?
Yeah. What was that big ass snapping noise?
That telling you it was at 45 pounds. It was probably as tight as it should be.
Alright, I'm not trusting this Harbor Freight shit. You know what, just fucking tighten it. It's 45 foot-pounds if you have a wrench, a torque wrench. But
You were right.
I knew I was right.
But damn.
Now it's stuck in the framer. What's up, guys? We're back at the house. We're back at the crib. I got Turbo with me. What's up, Turbo? She's gonna help me with the, I'm gonna wrap the O2 housing so I can contain the heat in the engine bay. And I got some good titanium lava fiber. So I'm gonna get it all done, and so that took a little longer than I expected. I thought I could do the whole thing, but turns out I didn't do the whole thing. But for what you'll see, I did. For what's gonna be in the engine bay, and you'll see it, because this will go in the back of the turbo like so. Like say this fancy cookware set. Shout out Shelby's grandma. And this is what you'll see. Say this is the motor. This is the. It'll be just like so. You'll see just that. So it turned out nice. I thought it turned out great. So, yep. So I'll get that on the car eventually. Then I'm waiting for the big oil filter kit, overflow bottle, and a new oil catch can to show up in the mail. So shout out DCR and AGP and ATP turbo kits and Modern Performance. So, yep. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned.